Once there was a young man named Armin who spent most of his days worrying about the past and fearing the future. Every night, he lay awake replaying mistakes and imagining problems that hadn't even happened yet. One morning, as he sat feeling lost, his old friend came and sat beside him on the park bench, pulling out a bottle of water and offering it to Armin, then pointing at the flowers nearby and saying, "Look at these. Life keeps blooming no matter what." Life can be overwhelming, with thoughts, stress, and worries constantly filling your mind. But the first step to peace is simple. Empty your mind. Life often pulls people into endless loops of worrying about the past and fearing what the future might hold. Nights can feel heavy with replayed mistakes and imagined problems that don't even exist yet. Yet clarity comes when the mind is allowed to rest, when overthinking is set aside and attention is given to the present moment. Small steps like noticing the warmth of the sun, the laughter of strangers, or the simple satisfaction of completing a task bring awareness and peace. Living in the now, appreciating little joys and letting go of what cannot be controlled allows energy to flow freely and life to feel lighter. The richness of life is not in perfect outcomes or grand plans, but in the mindful embrace of each day, finding strength, clarity, and calm in the ordinary moments.